So we're changing this customer's waterway pack, Neo 1500, and we're putting in our own EVO-Touch control system. The EVO-One. The electrician decided to cut the corners a little and use all same color wiring. Now we have to mark it. Chinese?
Excuse me.
This is the reason why we like our EVO-Touch system, especially on these newer cow spas. They built them pretty well. There's the old unit there. Here's our new one here. You're gonna see right now in a second, it's gonna fit right in, right like it's supposed to. Voila. Bam! Fits right in. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alrighty, so we got black, red, white, green, and let's see what's going.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we just got.
So actually, it's ACC.
Oh, so high speed actually might be. Well, we'll test it, right?
Yeah, because black is high speed, black is low speed. Or red is high speed on our controller, and then black is high speed. No, red is low speed, black is high speed in our controller, and then most control systems, red is high, black is low.
Lights.
So that should work. Go from there. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Alright, so here's the top side. Already set in place. Well, of course, we're gonna paste it down the way it's supposed to. Dr. David got it.
Actually. Does it fit perfectly?
Yep. Oh, nice.
That's all right.
Make sure it sits right here in the middle. There we go. Alright, it's set in place. Now we just have to finish wiring up, fill it up, test it. We'll be good to go.
To J10.
Double checking, make sure the pump is set to the correct voltage. In this case, where it's a 240 pump, we're setting it for 240.
Good.
Now it's time to dry test and fill up. All right, David's gonna do the honors. Low speed, high speed, working. Bam. That's what we're talking about.
You already said it?
Yep. Got the new controller installed. It's on. The flickering is just because of the refresh rate. It's actually still, but here, get some of that silicone off. But pump one, low speed, and high speed. Looks like we're doing okay down here too. Looks like there's no leaks. Take a look and see if the light works. Where is the light? Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's on.
That's on. It's, you can see it flickering.
These are on too.
Blue.
These are on as well.
Nice. Lights are running. Customers back in business. Now that we got everything up and running, we're gonna finish commissioning the new equipment for service. Gonna grab our amp meter. System says the heater's on. It's a brand new system. There's no reason why the heater should not be on, but you never know. We're gonna test the amp draw right now. So there we go. We got our tester here. We're gonna put this here, and low enough, 15 amps. All right, now everything checks out fine. Button everything up. Customer up and running. There we go. And now with our EVO-Touch control system, our EVO-One, our EVO-Touch or EVO-One, we comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. That's right, we offer 3 years, 36-month manufacturer's warranty. That's how we strongly stand behind our own product. Unlike other manufacturers, only give you 1 year or 12 months. We give you 36 months for you to enjoy, worry-free, no hassle. Give us a call if you have a spa issue. evsparepair.com.